Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Let me show you how to make another simple recipe, Asian glazed salmon kebabs with a nice sauce and white rice. It comes together in minutes and it's so good. Let me show you how and let's get started. I'm gonna start with 1.5 pounds of salmon. I'm gonna start by removing the skin and cubing into 1-inch cubes as much as possible. Set it aside, and now I'm gonna start working on the sauce. And I start with the ginger. I usually have some in the freezer. When I buy the ginger, I peel and I chop finely, put in a Ziploc bag and just pop it in the freezer, use it when I need it. I like the flavor of fresh ginger in this recipe. I add to that 1 full tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. If you don't have an ingredient, just leave it out. It's not a big deal, it'll still be good. Mix the ingredients very well, and then you're gonna add 1 cup of water. And just add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well and set aside. On the same cutting board, I gently season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add a generous amount of cornstarch. Cover all sides. Add some vegetable oil, and on medium to high heat you're gonna sear the salmon, and I usually do it in 2 batches. Sear it on all sides. Just make sure cornstarch is covering all sides of the salmon. Sear it just like this. Remove the first batch, add the second one. It doesn't have to cook all the way through, you just want to give it a nice crust. And as always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you haven't followed me yet or subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. I put back the first batch of seared salmon. Mix the sauce very well and add it to the pan. It's gonna thicken in no time at all. Give it maximum 5 minutes, turn off the heat. The salmon will be cooked to perfection, so flaky and delicious, and the sauce will thicken nicely, as you can see. And it's not gonna even take 5 minutes. You're gonna turn off the heat as soon as you can see the sauce like this. I'm gonna top it with some black sesame seeds and some scallions or spring onions. Serve with some jasmine rice and enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. It was amazing, so good. Please give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!